Dan avocado smoothie for today. Magandang hapon po, madlang people. Ayan, mag-share na naman po ako sa inyo ng smoothie. Ito po ay avocado, banana, and dates. At maglalagay po tayo ng almond unsweetened milk. We have the dates, banana, and avocado, and the unsweetened almond milk. First, unahin na po natin yung ating dates na i-blend. Ayan. And then, isusunod natin yung ating almond milk. Almond milk. And next na po natin yung ating bananas. Bananas from Philippines. Ayan. Next na po natin yung ating avocado. Nakapag-share na naman po ako sa inyo ng panibagong smoothie for today. Avocado, dates, and banana. Yung ating pong dates, yun ang ating parang pinakang sugar since ang ginamit natin na almond milk is unsweetened. Ayan, it's very delicious and nutritious din po ito mga kaparientes. Ayan, hope you enjoy. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.